Good morning, everyone. My name is Saurabh Pandale and I am from Tulsiram Jai Ekpatpati, College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. I am from civil branch, 6th sem. This is the subject of the DSL. This is the topic of the unit 2. This is the first of the numerical of the, this is the 2 flat. Every is equal to 410 grade. Speed is the 300 mm into 16 mm. I did the drawing. I do the drawing using the 29. This the diagram. That bolt of the train 4.6 to from the lab connection of connection is a supposed to transfer a service load. Transfer the service load of 375 kilonewton. Calculate the number of the volt required for connection with minimum P distance and n distance for the floor. Also, part of the bolt do not intersect the shear plan. This is the given data. This is the first D is equal to 20 mm, then volt grade 4.6, then the QB is equal to 400 Newton per mm. Then do not is equal to 20 plus 2 is equal to 22 mm. Then P is equal to 375 kilonewton. Then PU is equal to 1.5 into P. Then P is equal to 410 kilonewton mm per square. That is equal to 300 mm into 16 mm. Beyond the given data, that the first value calculated of the factor loop. This is the first. P is equal to 1.5 into P. This is the P value of the 375 kilonewton. This is the total value. PU is equal to 1.5 into P is 375 kilonewton. This is the 375 kilonewton. We have the calculator value PU is equal to 562.5 kilonewton. This is the first value. Then the second calculation of the pitch distance and end distance. Is the second is the pitch distance and end distance. This is the first. P is equal to 2.5 B is equal to 2.5 into 20 is equal to 50 mm. Then end distance is equal to 1.5 U. Do not is equal to 1.5 into 22 is equal to 23 mm. This is the first P is the pitch distance. Then second E is the end distance. Now, calculate out the shear strength of the bolt. Vs is equal to FUB divided by under root 3 gamma MB bracket NN ANB plus NS ANB. Then we have to calculate the value of the 400 is the FUB divided by under root 3 into 1.5 is the gamma. Then bracket 1 into pi 1 into divided by 4 into bracket 20 square. Then we have to calculate, put the value that the answer is the value of 10,041.37 Newton. Then Vs is equal to 58.04 kilonewton. This is the third calculate value. Then fourth value calculate of the bearing strength of the bolt. Vb is equal to 2.5 kb db EP FUP divided by Y MB. Then we this is the put the value. This is the KB minimum of 3 value. This is the E divided by 3. Do not P divided by 3. Do not FUP is equal to FUP. First, E divided by 3 do not is equal to 33 divided by 3 into 22. This is equal to 0.5. That second is the P is equal to 3 dot minus 0.25 is equal to 50 into 3 into 22. Final 0.25 is equal to 0. This answer is 0.50 507. Then FUB third is the third value is the FUB is divided by FUP is equal to FUB is the value of the 400. Then FUP is the 410 is equal to 0.97. This is the lowest value is the 0.52. We have the BB is equal to 2.5 into lowest value is the 0.5 with the 0.5 that 20 into 60 into 410 divided by 1.5. We have the calculate the value is the 131200 Newton. Then VB is equal to 131.2 kilonewton. Then is the calculator of the number bolt of required for connection. Is the bolt required of connection. Then this is the formula n is equal to pu divided by b dash or bb minimum. This sum put the value n is equal to 562.5. pu is the 562.5. Then bs or bb is the 5.58 0.4. We have the value is the 9.6. This is the n is equal to 10. This is the diagram. This is the number of the bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. This is the n required. This is the measure required. This is the diagram. This is the total number of bolt is 10. Then is the A and this is the then P this one. This is the diagram. Thank you.